Hello dear students, welcome back. In this part of reproduction, we will discuss about vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is a mode of asexual reproduction which takes place in plants. Basically, the plant parts are divided into two categories. First is sexual part and second is vegetative part. In plants, flower is the only sexual part, and except flower, other parts such as root, stem, leaf, tuber, that means except flower or other parts are called vegetative part. And as the word suggests, vegetative propagation. Vegetative means vegetative part. Vegetative part, that is parts of plant except flower. If the reproduction takes place by the help of vegetative part of the plant, that reproduction is said to be vegetative propagation. है ना? Plants में सिर्फ flower ही sexual part है, and except flower, if reproduction takes place by the help of other parts like root, stem, leaf, buds, etc., then that type of reproduction is said to be vegetative propagation in plants. So, before starting vegetative propagation in detail, I would like to explain you both the parts in detail. So, we will start from sexual part of the plant. The sexual part of the plant is your flower. How we will define flower? Flower is the modified shoot, and flower is divided into different parts like calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. What are the meaning of these parts? Where these parts are located in the plants? So, what is calyx? The unit of calyx is sepal, and we all know there is the one part of the flower which is green in color that protects the flower at the time of bud stage. हमने सभी ने flower के नीचे एक green part देखा है flower में, है ना? That green part of the flower which protects the flower at the time of bud stage, that part is called sepal, and the group of sepal is called calyx. So the first part of the flower is calyx, the unit of calyx is sepal, and sepal is the green part of the flower. Sepal is the green part of the flower. The second part of the flower is corolla. Have you ever seen corolla? Yes, we all have seen corolla many times, because we all are fascinated and we all are attracted towards the beauty of a flower. That colorful part of the flower is called petal. That means the unit of corolla is petal, the group of petals is called corolla, and petals are the colorful part of the flower. Why these parts are colorful? These parts are colorful to attract several insects and to attract pollinators. We will discuss pollination later, but here you have to memorize that the second part of flower is corolla, the unit of corolla is petals, and petal is the colorful part of the flower. Afterwards, the next part is your androecium. What is androecium? Androecium is the male part of the flower. The unit of androecium is stamen. तो अगर कोई ऐसा पूछे फ्लावर में मेल पार्ट क्या है, तो द मेल पार्ट ऑफ फ्लावर इज stamen, and the group of stamen is called androecium. No? What is gynoecium? Gynoecium is the female part of the flower, and the unit of gynoecium is pistil. We can say pistil or carpel. These both words we can use, no issue. No? So basically a typical flower has four different parts: calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Calyx, the unit of calyx is sepal, which is green part of the flower. Corolla, the unit of corolla is petal, that is colorful part of the flower. Androecium, that is male part of the flower, the unit of androecium is called stamen. Gynoecium, that is female part of the flower, and the unit of gynoecium is pistil or carpel. But flower we have to study in detail about pollination and other things in the sexual reproduction in plants. Here what we have to consider in vegetative propagation is the vegetative part. Only I will give you the introduction in this video, and in the next video we will discuss in detail about vegetative propagation. What is root? You all know. Roots are the underground part of the plant. Basically, the function of root is to provide anchorage and to absorb water and minerals from the soil. What is a stem? A stem is the aerial part of the plant, which consists of several branches, fruits, leaves, etc. What are leaves? You all know. Basically, leaves are green in color. They are flattened structure. In several plants, plants may reproduce through roots, plant may reproduce through stem, plant may reproduce through leaves. When plant performs the reproduction, by the help of vegetative part except flower, that reproduction is called vegetative propagation. फ्लावर को छोड़कर अगर प्लांट किसी दूसरे पार्ट से रिप्रोडक्शन करता हो एक्सेप्ट फ्लावर, that type of reproduction is called vegetative propagation. So we can say that vegetative propagation is a mode of asexual reproduction in which plant can reproduce itself by the help of vegetative part like root, stem and leaf. I hope you understood the concept very well up to here. In the last of this video, I would like to ask you one question. What is that? Name a root which stores food. एक ऐसे रूट का नाम तुमको बताना है जो कि फूड स्टोर करता है. ओके, थैंक यू. दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो.